M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the Radtel RT-860, made famous by the fact that it receives HF. Just by pressing one button. And then we're back into UHF. It has a SI4732 chip in it, same as the modified Bofungs that you've seen. So today we're looking at key definitions, that is programming the actual buttons on the radio, because you have several. You have a programmable button underneath the PTT, and underneath that again you have the top button here, which is called the alarm button, which is the orange one. But then you have all of the front panel buttons as well, and there are 3, 6, 9, 12 buttons there. And so we can do this using the radio, we can do it using the software. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to do it with the software. If you look here, there's a double pin connector in the side here, and you'll need to get your cable in there. Bofung cable will work fine, the one you use with your UVK5. Connect it to your radio, and then right click, to your PC, device manager, and get your port number, and mine is 12 by just clicking ports. And mine is, where is it? 12, just here, just there, look. Okay, so then we can read the radio by going port select, COM12, yes, and then we read the radio, like so. Read. Click that again. And the reading and writing works very well. Completed. Right, go over to, not config, there it is there, key. It says key here at the top. And then we can see all our buttons from 0 to 9. And I've set several. We've got radio, spectrum, GPS. I've got spectrum twice on there. Query, state, frequency detect. Let's push a couple. So if we press number 1, we have to press and hold. And there you are. You've got your band scope, which I think works quite well. Anyway, always go back with the star. Let's try another one. Let's do the GPS one, number 2. Now, I've not to get a lock yet on this. I've emailed Radtel to say I'm not really getting GPS. I've got the iRadio model, and that's exactly the same. iRadio UV88, which looks identical to me. So that's your key presses. You've got on the left-hand side of the software, you've got the FS1 button, short and long. That's the buttons underneath the PTT. You've got the alarm key, which I've set at the moment to squelch. So if we go back and hit the top, squelch level, which I thought was quite useful. A really important one, actually, I would say, is the save channel one. So if you're in the normal screen and you've added your parameters for a new channel, you can press and hold it, and you can start saving it. It's taken me straight to zones. You select the zone you want it in, then you save the channel. But I've done that in a separate video. So if you want to set one of these buttons using the actual radio, let me show you. Let's make it a bit bigger. All you do, is press the round circle button, which is the menu. Remember, the back button is the star button. Okay, that's your back button. Then go down to where it says key define. So down with the arrow, down 1. Then the circle is the select, enter. And let's go down to key number 1. And when we select enter, it will be the same as what we've already set, which is spectrum. But you can just go down the list, choose whatever you want. I notice it's got Vox in there. Let's do weather channels. That's not too clear. Press select and then back out with the star. So now if we hold down the 2, we go into GPS. Which one did I set for weather? That's gone to GPS. Let's go back. Let's go to key select, key define, down to number, remember, it's 2 long press. So 2 long press set. No, it is GPS. Change it to weather. And look at all the selections. Frequency detect, you've got there. CT/CSS scanning. There it is. No, that's spectrum. We're determined to get weather. There it is. Up 1, select. Back out. I know it's a USA thing, the weather. Ta-da! And then you can scroll up the channels, look. And they are preset channels. So that's it, really. So lots more videos to follow on this. It's such a feature-packed radio that I'm doing long videos and short videos. Let's just quickly check it does airband. I'm pretty sure it does. So we're just in VFO mode, the hash. So the hash button, if I unplug this, you'll hear the radio says zone mode. That's banks, really. VFO and channel. So if we go to frequency, we can type in frequencies now. 133.850. Ta-da! And it, and I've tested it actually, and it does work fine on airband. Thanks for watching so far. Bye for now.